Hi guys, and this is going to be problem number 3 from projection of points. Let's go ahead. 2 points A and B are in the HP. So this time around I'll be writing down the given data uh, simultaneously. So there are basically 2 points A and B which are in the HP. That means their distances from horizontal plane are going to be 0. So HA for point A is going to be 0, as well as HB for point B is going to be again 0. Right. The point A is 30 mm in front of VP. So the distance of point A from the vertical plane, that is going to be in front, is 30 millimeters, and it's 30. And one thing is for sure, that point A lies in the first quadrant. All right. Now let us shift our focus towards point B. While B is behind the VP, how much behind the VP? Oh man, this is the question which strikes me immediately. B is just behind the VP. Alright, but how much behind? Well, no such information has been given to us as to what is the distance. Alright, we don't know how much this distance is. But one thing is for sure, that point B is behind the VP, that we can say that B lies in the second quadrant. Alright. And let us read it further to extract some more data. The distance between their projectors is 75 millimeters. Alright, the distance between their projectors is 75. Fine. Do we have some more data? Where is it? And the line joining their top views makes an angle of 45 degrees with XY line. Oh, this is pretty interesting. Line joining top views makes 45 degrees. So this is the condition which we've got to use and incorporate in our drawing. Line joining top views makes 45 degree angle with XY line. XY is, I told you earlier, the popular line, the reference line. Alright, so let us start. We can start by drawing this point A. Point A's projection, that is going to be H is going to be above and D is going to be below XY. Alright, so 0 view of this particular point A is going to lie exactly on the reference line. That is, A dash is going to be exactly on the reference line because the value of H is 0. Alright, and D is going to be 30. That means below XY you need to go 30 mm. Okay, that's where you're going to find its top view. So let's do this quickly, and we need to start by drawing an XY line. Here it comes. Okay, so this is the very popular XY line, and we have distance for H is 0 and D is 30. So it's going to be somewhere here. H is 0, so it is going to be lying on the reference line, and D is 30. So with H you need to put a dash, and since the name of the point is A, it's got to be A dash, and this over here is got to be simply A. So this is front view, this is top view. Alright, and this dimension over here is going to be, or is, 30 millimeters. Well, let's move forward. This guy, point B, it lies in the second quadrant, and the distance of projector of point B from that of projector A is 75. Alright, let us do this first. Distance of projector of point B from that of A is 75. That means, and one more thing that you've got to know is that point B lies in the second quadrant, and as far as second quadrant is concerned, the logic of H and D says that both of them, that is H as well as D, are going to lie above XY line. So one thing is for sure, that both the front view as well as top view for point B, they're going to be above this XY line. Alright, now one more data that we're going to use is, these two data have been used, and this logic has been used. Let me exhaust them, color them. Well, we are yet to use this data, that is HB is equal to 0. We know very well that H is going to lie somewhere here, okay, and HB is 0. Alright, that means it is exactly here, and with H you need to put a dash. So this particular point over here is nothing but B dash. Fortunately or unfortunately, the value of H is 0. So the front view is going to lie exactly on the reference line. Okay, now we have used almost all the data that were made available to us by the question, and this also has been used. The only thing left with us, and on using which the problem will be immediately solved or drawn, is this line joining top views makes 45-degree angle with XY line. So let us use this. Let us join the top views. Okay, but where the hell is the top view of point B? It's got to be somewhere here. But where? Where is it? Well, we don't need it, man. We don't need it. Then how are we going to locate it? It's pretty simple. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start drawing a line, alright, at an angle of 45-degree. Now since this particular point A is top view and B is somewhere here, and we know very well that joining A with B creates an angle of 45-degree with this XY line. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna we're gonna keep a protractor over here, and at an angle of 45-degree we'll start by making a line, and we're gonna produce it until it reaches or intersects this vertical line somewhere here, and this is exactly what your point B's top view is. Alright, so let us do this quickly. So that's exactly the position of point B. Alright, now this, let us name it B. Alright, and well, that's it, folks. Point B, both front view and top view are above XY line. Alright, and something more is left. This also has been used, and find the distance of point B from VP. Okay, distance of point B from VP, that is distance D. So this distance works out to be as 45 millimeters. Alright, let us write this. Here it is. So the distance of point B behind vertical plane extracted from the drawing we've just made is equal to 45 millimeters. Well, is there anything left as far as dimensioning is concerned? I guess there is a little bit scope of dimensioning. This is 75. Alright, well, that's all from my side, folks, and let us meet again, okay, with a new problem, with a new set of ideas. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like it, hit subscribe. See you again.